Mike Shinoda of Linkin Park has made it clear that the band's new singer, Emily Armstrong, is not trying to replace the late Chester Bennington. Earlier this month, the group announced their comeback with original members Mike Shinoda, Brad Delson, Dave Phoenix Farrell, and Joe Hahn, joined by Armstrong from the LA rock band Dead Sarah, and songwriter-producer Colin Britton as their drummer. However, Armstrong's debut has faced mixed reactions from fans and Bennington's family, particularly his son Jaime, who voiced his disapproval on social media, accusing Shinoda of erasing his father's legacy during International Suicide Prevention Month. Jaime also criticized Armstrong's past support of Danny Masterson, who was convicted of rape. Shinoda, however, clarified that this comeback isn't an attempt to redo or rewrite Linkin Park's past, but rather to begin a new chapter. He explained during an interview with Jack Saunders on Radio 1's new music show, "The old chapter was great, but it ran its course. Now, we're starting fresh with a new voice and direction." Shinoda revealed that he had been writing music with Armstrong since 2019, without initially intending to restart the band. As the collaboration grew organically, they decided to explore more songs with Armstrong's vocals. "Once we heard her voice on our tracks, we knew we had to keep going," Shinoda said. Armstrong addressed the backlash she received for her support of Masterson during his trial, explaining that she had initially attended as an observer and later regretted it. She expressed her support for the victims and her condemnation of abuse and violence. "To be clear, I do not condone abuse in any form," she said in a statement. Chester's mother, Susan Eubanks, also expressed her disappointment in an interview with Rolling Stone, feeling betrayed that the band didn't inform her of their plans for a comeback. "They promised to let me know if they were going to do anything. They didn't, and I'm really upset about it," she said. Shinoda did not directly address the criticism from Bennington's family, but praised Armstrong's unique voice and presence. "She's not trying to be Chester or anyone else. She's 100% herself, and that's why it works," he said. Linkin Park's comeback was marked by the release of their new single, The Emptiness Machine, and the announcement of their album From Zero, set for release on November 15th. The band also revealed plans for a world tour, with dates in major cities like Los Angeles, New York, Hamburg, London, and Seoul. Shinoda emphasized the extensive rehearsals they've undergone, saying, "We've rehearsed more for this tour than anything we've ever done before. We're really coming together as a band." Despite the controversy, music critics like Mark Beaumont of The Independent argue that the band's legacy ultimately lies in their hands. Reviews of Armstrong's performances have praised her as an exciting successor, not a replacement for Bennington. But unless the concerns raised by the family are addressed, the comeback risks being overshadowed by public opinion, Beaumont wrote.